Examples related to rank correlation coefficient. The very first example is find rank correlation coefficient for the following data. So here also in this example, we will be provided, or in these type of questions, we will be provided with the data, that means values of x as well as y. So value of x is 78, 89, 97 and so on. Value for y are 125, 137, 156 and so on. So here we observe that neither value of x nor value of y is
पूछने वाला
repeated.
सवाल है
In
क्या
all the cases,
9:15
we
में
will be
बात
having the
करेंगे।
values different. In all the cases, we have all the values different. So first value 78. If you see the column of x, you don't have any of the value repeated. In column of y also, you don't have any of the value repeated. So accordingly, in this case, all the values or observations for x as well as y are different. So we will be using the first formula for the non-repeated rank. At least if one of the value is repeated, we have to apply the formula for the repeated ranks, right? So here we observe that neither value of x nor value of y is repeated. So formula is r is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation d square upon n into n square minus 1. Now, what are the number of observations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total n is equal to 8. Now I am interested in finding out the value of d square. How to get d square from d? How to get d? D is nothing but difference between the ranks of x and y. So now we prepare a table. In a table, we first write down the values of x as well as y as it is whatever are provided. So in this case, whatever are the values of x provided, we will be writing down. The desired value of d square is calculated in the following table. So total number of observations are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The values of x are written as it is. The values of y are written as it is. Rank in x, which is called as xi. How to calculate this rank? As I told you, the normal process of calculation of rank is assign number 1 to the highest. So in the table or column of x, which is the number having highest value? 97 is the number having highest value. So it will be assigned rank 1. Lowest to 97, immediate lowest to 97 is what? 89. So rank 2 will be assigned, number 2 will be assigned to the element 89. After 89, which is the number? 79. So 79 will be assigned rank as 3. After 79, it is 78. Then rank will be assigned as 4. After that, you have 69. 69 will be assigned the value as 5. 68 will be assigned value as 6. Then 59 will be assigned value as 7. And lastly, lowest of all, 57 will be assigned value as 8. So looking at the observations of x, I will be assigning the rank in the column xi for the values of x. Also, simultaneously, I will have to assign rank for y. Looking at the observations in the column of y, I will be giving the rank. What is the highest number of all? 156 is the highest number of all, which is assigned rank 1. Lowest to 156, it is I think 137. 137 will be assigned rank 2. 136 will be assigned 3. Then 125 will be assigned 4. Then 123. Then 112. Then 108. And lastly 107, which is assigned rank 8. So in this manner, we will be assigning ranks for the observations in x as well as y. Each observation will carry a unique rank because there is no case of repetition. Once you obtain the values of ranks in the column of X as well as Y, which are termed as Xi and Yi, take the difference between the two. Difference di is Xi minus Yi. 4 minus 4 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 5 minus 6 is minus 1. 7 minus 8 is minus 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. 6 minus 5 is 1. 8 minus 7 is 1. If you take the summation of all these, your answer should be summation D equal to 0, which serves a check on our calculation. But I am interested in calculation of summation D square. Take the square of this value. 0 ka square 0, 0 square 0, minus 1 square 1, minus 1 square 1, 1 square 1, 1 square 1. Summation D square comes out to be 4. Put them in the formula. What is formula? 1 minus 6 into summation D square upon n square minus 1 into n. What is n? N is 8. 8 square is 64. 64 minus 1 is 63. 8 into 63 in the denominator. 6 into 4 is 24. Solve that. Value of R will be 0.95. So rank correlation coefficient obtained as R is equal to 0.95. Is this point clear to everybody? In such way, we will be making down the table having the observations for X, observation for Y, rank of X, rank of Y, summation of D, which should be 0. What is D? D is difference between the rank Xi minus Yi. Then calculate the column for D square, summation D square, put them in the formula, you will be getting down the answer. So this was one of the example in which we had the ranks assigned as unique. There was no repetition in the observation. So it is very simple to move ahead. Now we can deal with the example wherein we have a rank to be calculated for the repeated values. Now see, total number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. N is equal to 10. In the column of X, I am finding one of the values 75 is repeated. Other than that, again what is repeated? 64 is a repeated one, right? Then in the column of Y, is anything repeated? Yes, 68 is the observation which is repeated. So I will be using the second formula, which is calculation of rank for the repeated rank. Now, kindly first by observation point out that which observations are repeated and how many times they are repeated. So repeated values in X is 64. 64 is repeated how many times? 3 times. So value of M will be 3. Again in the column of X, which value is repeated? 75 is repeated. And how many times it is repeated? 2 times. So value of M will be here 2. In the column of Y, which value is repeated? 68. How many times it is repeated? 2 times. So value of M will be 2. So how many such observations in total are repeated? 3 observations. So adjustment factor will be added how many times? 3 times. 1 for each. 2 summation D square. So what does formula becomes over here? Formula becomes R is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation D square plus adjustment factor for this 1 by 12 m cube minus n plus 1 by 12 m cube minus n for this plus 1 by 12 m cube minus n for this whole divided by n into n square minus 1. Number of observation is 10. M is equal to 3. M is equal to 2. M is equal to 2. This is how we will be having the formula. Now m cube minus m, 8 minus 2, 6, right? 3 cube minus 3 divided by 12. solve this, you will be getting down the formula. Now only n into n square minus 1, 100 minus 1 is 99, 99 into 10, that is what the denominator they have calculated. So appropriately they have got this particular value. Only my aim remains to get the value for d square. Now write down the values in the column of x, write down the values in the column of y. So desired value for summation d square will be calculated from the following table. So 68, 64, 75, 50 is written in this column. Values of y is also written in this particular column. Now the main thing is assigning of the ranks. Look at the highest number. What is the highest number in the column of x? It is 80. So 80 will be assigned rank as 2. 80 will be assigned rank as 1. It is the highest number. So rank will be 1. The next highest to 80 is 75. So 75 is this one time repeated and this is second time repeated. Now if these numbers would have been different, so one of the number would have been assigned rank as 2 and other number would have been assigned rank as 3. So looking at their rank position, one of the value will be 2, other value will be 3. But as these numbers are repeated, I will be taking the mean or average of this rank for giving them the common number. So by default, if those numbers had to be unique, the rank position would have been 2 as well as 3. But as these numbers are same, I will be taking the average or mean of those two numbers. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 upon 2 is 2.5. So both the values will be assigned rank as 2.5. But calculation for rank up to 3 is over. So next number will be assigned rank as 4. It will not be assigned rank as 3 because while taking down the mean, ranks number 2 and 3 are taken into consideration. After 75, which is the highest number, 68, it will not be assigned rank 3. It will be assigned rank 4 because 2 and 3 both are included in the average, which is coming out as 2.5 assigned to this particular observation. Clear? So 68, which is the next highest number, will be given rank 4. After 68, it is 64. Now 64 is observed how many times? 3 times. This is 64, 64 and 64. So after rank 4, the number would have been 5, 6 and 7. So take the mean or average of 5 plus 6 plus 7 divided by 3. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 7 is 18. 18 by 3 is 6. So this particular value will be assigned rank 6 everywhere. अगर आप ऑब्जर्व कर रहे होंगे तो हर एक ये वैल्यूज को रैंक कितना दिया है? 6, 6, 6. बट अभी नंबर रैंकिंग के कहां तक हो गए हैं? 7. आफ्टर 64 व्हाट इज द नंबर? 55 आई थिंक. सो 7 तक रैंक हो गया है. 55 विल बी गिवन रैंक एज 8. देन यू हैव 50. 50 is given rank as 9. And lastly, the lowest number 40 will be given rank as 10. So in this case also, while assigning the rank, last rank will always match with the total number of observation. But certain numbers can be found missing because they are taken in the average. So this is how the process is for the assigning of the rank when the ranks are repeated. I again repeat or explain the procedure. Look at the column in X, which is the highest number? 80. 80 is the highest number. Assign rank as 1. Next to 80, the two numbers are there, 75. By numbering or in sequence, their rank would have been 2 and 3. But as the numbers are same, we take the average. 2 plus 3 divided by 2 is 2.5. So their ranks are 2.5, 2.5. Rank numbering till 3 is over. Next lowest number will be ranked as 4. Next is 64 repeated 3 times. 5, 6 and 7. 5 plus 6 plus 7 divided by 3. Average means sum of all observation upon total number of observation. 5 plus 6 plus 7 divided by 3 is 6. So all these numbers will be assigned rank 6. But numbering or sequencing rank up to 7 is over. So next number will be assigned rank as 8, then 9, then 10. So this is how we do the numbering or do the ranking in the column for X. Now look at the column for Y. Which is the highest number? 81. It will be assigned rank as 1. Next highest number is 70. It will be assigned rank as 2. After that, the next highest number is 68. But 68 will take the position 3 and 4. 3 plus 4 divided by 2. 7 divided by 2 is 3.5 and 3.5. So numbering up to 4 is over. Next lowest number is 62. It will be assigned rank 5. Then 60 will be assigned rank 6. Then 58 will be assigned rank 7. Then 50 will be assigned rank 8. Then 48 will be assigned rank 9. And 45 will be assigned rank 10. Once this ranking is done, you can easily find out the difference between the rank xi and yi. 4 minus 5 minus 1, 6 minus 7 minus 1, 2.5 minus 3.5 minus 1, 9 minus 10 minus 1, 6 minus 1 5, 1 minus 6 minus 5, 2.5 minus 3.5 minus 1. Take the addition. Summation d will always be 0. That means our calculations are correct. Take the square of the column of d. Then summation of d square. Formula अपने पास already लिखा हुआ है. So accordingly, in the formula, I will be putting down summation d square as 72. अगर आपको याद होगा, this is the formula which we have generated. Only summation d square is to be kept as 72. So 72 plus 2 plus 0.5 plus 0.5 upon this will give you the answer 0.545. So value for R is 0.545. Here they have given the explanation. In X series, the next larger number is 75, which is repeated twice at rank 2. So two places having the same value is 75. Common rank is assigned and which is taken as arithmetic mean 2 plus 3 divided by 2. And next rank will be assigned 4. The next larger number is 64 at rank 5, which is repeated 3 times. So 5 plus 6 plus 7 divided by 3 is 6, which is awarded to the number 64. So this is the explanation for the ranking whenever we have the observations in the repeated form. This is again one of the example wherein we have the observations repeated. In the column of X, which number is repeated? 25 is repeated how many times? 3 times. In column of Y, 34 is repeated 2 times. So how the formula will be? 1 minus 6 into summation d square plus 1 by 12 m cube minus m plus 1 by 12 m cube minus m upon n into n square minus 1. N is equal to 10, m is equal to 3 and m is equal to 2. Substitute, you get the simplification. Now drawing the table, assigning the values and rank will give you the value for summation d square. Highest value over here is 48. It is assigned rank 1. Next highest is 45, rank 2. Then 39, rank 3. Then 38, rank 4. 30, rank 5. Then 28, rank 6. Now there comes the number of 25. 25 is repeated 1, 2, 3 times. Rank कहां तक हो गया है? 6. 7 plus 8 plus 9 divided by 3 is 8. So this is assigned rank 8, 8, 8. Then 24 will be assigned rank 10 क्योंकि 9 तक हो गया है. 7, 8, 9 that is over. So this rank will be assigned rank 10. Similarly, in the column of y, take the difference, do the square, take summation of b square. Accordingly, in the formula, put the values. We will be getting down the answer as minus 0.05. So rank here comes out to be minus 0.05. So this is all regarding the rank correlation coefficient when the ranks are repeated and when the ranks are not repeated.